Welcome to the Hudson Street Redesign, a remarkable transformation that has revitalized a 7-block corridor in the heart of Hudson Square. By reallocating space from oversized traffic lanes, the redesign restored balance between pedestrians, cyclists, and drivers, transforming the sidewalk into a vibrant social hub. Lush plantings, modern park-like spaces, and wider sidewalks now enhance the pedestrian experience. The design includes over 8,000 square feet of green infrastructure to improve stormwater management and allow trees to thrive. 170 modern benches, more than 2,000 square feet of sidewalk cafe space, dedicated and parking-protected bike lanes, and 20 new bike parking spaces. The Hudson Street Redesign, the first design-build infrastructure project in New York City, is a testament to the power of collaboration and vision.